Hey, Brian here. Gonna be cutting some wood today. What am I up to now? Alright, set this up. Come on, what's this do? I think you guys can see from right there. Look out, Chloe. Get on there. Look out. Move. Go there. Giving it that nice burnt look. The wood's in there. Right, now that I got all my wood burnt, I'm gonna move on to the next stage. I'm gonna mark these real quick. This is gonna be all my stars. And I watched on YouTube how they do this. I don't think I marked this one. Missed one. And guys, not nothing's ever perfect on my channel, but I heard this is the best way to do these for staining. Alright, that's kind of cool. See if I have enough blades for this. There we go. It's one. The razor blades help protecting so it doesn't run over. Should have used this blue one. Should have used this. Been using brushes and the brushes are messy. This here is nice. I never done it this way before, so I getting blue paint all over me. Just trying not to mix these things up. This here's Red Barn. Oh man, I forgot to shake it. Don't make a mess. Let's grab this other one here. Did I say Blue Barn? I meant Red Barn. Alright, let's see how well this works out. I'm using paper towels, so it's a little messy. I don't know where to grab it at. Works out pretty good. Holy cow. total windstorm here. Alright. That leaves less of a stain like my other ones over here. I did. Or kind of ran over everywhere. Trying to clean them up a little bit. So we'll see. Look at this drowned rat. Chloe, what happened to your face? What are you, all wet? Are you all wet? Ew, ick. Ew. Who sprayed you? Did I spray you with the hose? Look at you. You look happy now. That was pretty funny. Okay, so I bought a Dremel. I tried to do a Dremel to use over here for bought this to like shave it all out for a star, but it didn't work out so well. It's making some. Now I'm gonna chisel the parts out like this. This is my screwed up flag anyways, but I'm gonna this is my practice flag. Then I'm going to sand this all down, restain this blue, and to get it right. But the chisel works the best. You know, it's not that easy. The chisel was the easiest one. The router type with the Dremel, the stars were too small to do it. And once I sand it all down, I think it's going to look a lot better. I did my best. These are where I bought the templates. You guys can get one too. They can have all sizes. There, it looks pretty good. Some blue tape on it. Let's trace these out a little bit. Most of the stars at least somewhat traced on. See, there's the last one here is kind of like, you can't see it that well. Well, you guys can see that. See the last star, you can't really see the trace on it. Back and pencil it in again. Okay, I think this will work. Now I'm going to trace out the other one. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, finished product. 2 flags. This is the one that was upside down. The stars were upside down. I cut it and now I got a big gap right here. And I dremeled them out on my Dremel first time. They're kind of wonky, but gives a little style, I guess. And this one here is my chiseled out version. And I glaze it all with clear glass. waterproof. Kind of got all bubbly, not the best, but I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm my own worst critic on some stuff. I attach some hangers to them so I can hang them up either way. This is not the, this is steel cable. It's kind of wobbly, but I think it'll hold. I got my initials on each one. 2019. Started these in July and almost finished them in January. Thinking I'm in December. I finished them in December sometime. It was getting pretty cold out here and I'm mumbling, so this is going to go on the blooper reel, of course. This here is another one I dremeled. Trying to dremel out the stars. That looks pretty good. 3 tries, 3 different ways. This one over here is the one I did where the, which one, wait a minute, getting confused. This one here is with the stars upside down, but I cut it over here and I flipped it over, make the stars right side up. And this one's going to be on a special project I'm doing, you guys will see later on. It's a little wobbly right here. See, it's like gapped a little bit. Should work out. Thanks for watching. I might have skipped some processes, so maybe I'll be doing these flags one more time to show it the right way. Please subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Getting some big ass. I mean, the struck came out okay. Wish my eyesight was better. Where did I put the hammer? Alright, let's try that again. Apparently I suck at this.